This accident with the raging river is the second since 2016.
Fred Dorr represented Steve Booher after her husband, Steve, died after working on the raging river ride in 2016. He spoke with Local 5's Ryan Scott, saying that incident brought to light problems Adventureland should have solved.
The family's attorney, Fred Dorr, was troubled to hear a similar tragedy has now happened 5 years after Steve's death. He says Adventureland failed to address a problem that came to light from the lawsuit that followed.
It took first responders a long time to get back to the site where the incident occurred. So the park was on notice at that point that to get first responders back to that area takes a long time.
Steve's job was to help guests enter and exit the raft. Dorr says Steve fell into the ride when the operator hit the button advancing the ride when Steve still had 1 foot on the raft. Back then, there was no emergency exit or entrance near the raging river for first responders to quickly get to the scene.
Why didn't you have an exit that was, or an entrance that was available for emergency purposes, and did it take a long time to get back there? Now, would that have made a difference for these kids? Could have. The longer you're underwater, the worse it's going to be for anybody that is rescued.
If you take a look at this aerial view of the raging river ride that we found on Google, you can see that the closest road to the ride is Prairie Meadows Drive, but there's no road connecting it to the park. We reached out to Altoona PD to find out if this was a factor. We are still waiting to hear back. In studio, Ryan Scott, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.